Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma G650. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to computer with a USB cable. First of all, we're going to reset this printer. Select Setup menu. Scroll down to select Device Settings, select OK. Scroll down and select Reset Settings. Reset Settings, select OK. Then scroll down and select All Data. Select OK. Reset Yes or No. Then you select Yes. Scroll to the left side and select Yes. Select OK to confirm. It will show you processing. Please wait, or processing. Now the next thing to do is you go back to the home page, so the printer is reset. It's no longer connected to a wireless network. Take the USB cable, go to the back of the printer, and connect it to USB port, to this port. Then take this end, connect it to the computer. And you will hear a tune. Then go to Laptop Start. Go to the settings. Select Printers and Scanners. Then add a device and look for Canon G650 series. If the printer is not available, you select Add a Device. And this is the printer Canon G600 series. Select on it. Show you that the printer is idle. Print test page. Select print test page. Select print test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. Port name USB 029. So this is to show you that the printer and laptop are connected together via a USB cable. If you want to scan document, select Scanner Settings. Then open Scanner. On the left side, you will see the printer. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Put the document on the glass scanner face down. And also make sure the document starts from the bottom left. Close the cover. Then select File Type as PDF. Show More. Select the color and also resolution. Resolution maximum is 600 dpi. 300 is selected. And we want to save the file to document. Select document folder, then select scan. So this document is scanning via a USB cable. Then select view to view the file. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P, or you select print icon on top, Ctrl P. Then select the printer. Select to print all, and also want to print the document in color. Fit to printable area, then select print. This is the document we scanned, save it to the computer, and also print it out. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to connect the printer via a USB cable, print document, and also scan document. Thank you very much indeed.